Starting a new hobby can be a great way to learn new skills, challenge yourself, and explore new interests. Here are some steps to help you get started. Identify your interests. Start by thinking about what interests you. Is there something you've always wanted to try but never had the time or opportunity? Do you have a particular passion or curiosity? Make a list of your interests and consider how you might be able to turn one of them into a hobby. Do some research. Once you've identified some potential hobbies, it's time to do some research. Look online to find out more about the activity, the materials or equipment you'll need, and the skills you'll need to learn. You can also check out local hobby stores, community centers, or clubs to see what resources are available in your area. Start small. When you're just starting out with a new hobby, it's important to start small. Don't invest too much time or money until you're sure you enjoy the activity and want to continue. Start with basic materials or equipment, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. Remember, it's all part of the learning process. Set realistic goals. Once you've started your new hobby, it's important to set some realistic goals for yourself. Think about what you want to achieve and what steps you need to take to get there. Break your goals down into smaller, manageable steps so you can track your progress and stay motivated. Practice regularly. To make progress in your new hobby, it's important to practice regularly. Set aside some time each day or week to work on your hobby, even if it's just for a few minutes. The more you practice, the more you'll improve and the more you'll enjoy the activity. Find a community. Joining a community of other hobbyists can be a great way to learn, share ideas, and stay motivated. Look for local clubs or online groups related to your hobby, and don't be afraid to reach out to other hobbyists for advice or support. Be patient. Remember, learning a new hobby takes time and patience. Don't get discouraged if you don't see progress right away or if you make mistakes. Keep practicing, stay motivated, and enjoy the process of learning something new. In summary, starting a new hobby can be a fun and rewarding experience. By identifying your interests, doing some research, starting small, setting realistic goals, practicing regularly, finding a community, and being patient, you can turn your hobby into a lifelong passion.